Yeah, so today we got a guest, trainee DJ Little Hands. Come on.
DJ Middle Hands.
DJ Little Hands.
Yeah?
Yeah. So,
I have that.
yeah, so what are we gonna play? Okay. Wow. Really? So what are we gonna do next? Press some buttons? Okay. You're the one in control. Okay, let's go to the next one. How many buttons are you pressing? Yeah, that's little DJ Little Hands. Say hi. Say hi, camera people. You said what? Wow, that's really great. So they want to buy all the land by the shores. Whoa. You want to turn it off? Yeah. So that's DJ Little Hands. Okay, you done, DJ Little Hands?
DJ Little Hands?
Yeah, that's your name. That's your trainee name. DJ Little Hands. Say hi again.
Hi.
Okay, DJ Little Hands is done. Say bye.
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 Down for today.